Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best heat press machine that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the PowerPress Digital Sublimation T-shirt heat press machine. We found that the PowerPress industrial quality digital sublimation T-shirt heat press was one of the best all-rounders on the market. It's easy to use, very well built and versatile enough to start a small T-shirt printing business, if that's your plan. As you read through this article, you'll notice that a lot of the heat press machines have very similar features. That means you have to look at the small features to pick the one that's best suited to your needs. First, though, we'll focus on the standardized features. The Teflon-coated heat plate is an impressive 15 inches by 1.5. This gives you space to easily transfer onto an XXL men's t-shirt and maybe even bigger. It also has an easy-to-use digital control dial for the timing and temperature. You don't need to read the instructions to work this one out, so you can get straight on with printing your designs. One of the standout features is the patented temperature monitor chip. This protects your machine from short-circuiting and overheating, which is a known problem in the world of heat presses. Moving on at number 4, we have the Fancier Studio Power Heat Press Machine. The Fancier Studio Power Heat Press. It's very similar in terms of design and versatility to our best choice product, and you have to look close to tell them apart. The reason we chose the PowerPress as our best choice and not this one, is the lack of safety features. You save just over $10 if you choose this one, but it's not as geared up for constant use. However, if you're just planning to use it for casual use, it's perfect. Like most heat press machines in this price range, it has a 15 inches by 15 inches aluminum plate. It does take a little longer to warm up than the stainless steel options, but it's not a big deal. It does come with a digital control panel, but it's nowhere near as easy to use as the PowerPress machine. But, if you're used to technology, you should get the hang of it just fine. We do like the fact that it comes fully assembled and it saves space by having a handle loaded on a hinge, rather than moving the whole machine backward. At number 3, we have the ePhoto New Digital Heat Press Machine. The ePhoto Heat Press is one of the most well-reviewed heat transfer machines on the market. It's slightly more expensive than the machines we've featured, but only slightly. It's very similar in terms of features. It has a 15 inches by 15 inches heating plate, a digital control panel, and works just about as well as the other two. The reason this one is a little more expensive isn't clear, but a lot of the reviews mention the quality of the product. The product images are very true to life, and all of the materials used are high quality. You get a good feeling that this is a machine that's going to last. Another benefit is that it comes with a brand new Teflon sheet included. That will save you over $10, which makes the price pretty competitive. However, this machine does have a few downsides. The handle is pretty stiff, so it requires some force to open and close it. And, it only heats up to 500 F, considerably less than the first two T-shirt press machines. At number 2, we have the TransferCraft's T-shirt heat press machine. The TransferCraft's T-shirt heat press is the perfect option for someone looking at a budget, home use option. It's quite a bit cheaper than the other hot press machines we've featured, and there's one main reason why. It has a smaller 9 inches by 12 inches heat plate. This should still be big enough for most t-shirt printing needs, but might not be suitable if you're printing really large designs. The best way to find out if it's suitable for you is to get a tape measure and see how large 9 inches by 12 inches on your size of the t-shirt. The other advantage to it being smaller is that it fits easily on a tabletop or workbench. Even the small drop in size makes a big difference. Other than that, it's pretty much the same as the others in terms of features. We like the control panel on this machine. It's easy to understand and everything is in one place, including the on and off buttons. So, if you're looking for the perfect compact heat press machine for your home, this is the one. And finally at number 1, we have the TUSY heat press machine. This TUSY heat transfer machine is another well-reviewed option. It only has 42 customer reviews on Amazon, but pretty much all of them are positive. In terms of features, it's pretty standard. It doesn't have anything that would set it apart from the other products on this list. However, we think this is the best-looking shirt press machine on the market. It has a sleek, black design and a modern logo on the front. Plus, the digital control panel is situated neatly on top of the lifting arm, making the whole thing symmetrical. If you're looking for a heat press machine that will look good on the countertop, this is the one for you. We also like the fact that it comes with overheating protection. The machine detects when it's getting too hot and turns itself off. We've only seen this in the PowerPress machine, and it's a feature that we think should be featured in all heat press machines. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.